Hello, today I'm going to perform the heart and central vessels. The, the purpose of this assessment is to identify any sign of heart disease or initiate early referral and treatment. The goal is the assessment is completed without the patient experiencing anxiety or discomfort. For the planning, check for doctor's order, review client's record, gather all the materials needed, wash hands, wear PPE if needed, position the client comfortably, and provide privacy. So, start na po tayo. Hi, ma'am. I'm Abigail Torres, student nurse from La Consolacion University of the Philippines. May I know your name, age, and birthday?
I'm Shayna Lindsay Florencio. My age is 17 years old and my birthday is October 9, 2006.
So, let's proceed po sa implementation. First po, kailangan po natin mag-hand hygiene. Okay. For the first po is observe the jugular venous pulse po. Kung okay lang po, hawakan ko po yung leg nyo. I-inspect ko lang. Tingin po kayo sa left side. And dito po. Yung kabila po. And next po, inspect po natin yung suprasternal pulse nyo po. Lunok po. Okay, wala naman pong masakit. For the next po is, evaluate na po natin yung jugular venous pressure po. Yung sa jugular veins nyo naman po, hindi naman po siya visible, which is normal naman po. Wala naman po mga enlargement or bumps sa neck nyo naman po. And next po is auscultate po natin yung carotid artery nyo. Normal naman po yung sounds and palpate lang po natin. Wala naman po enlargement na lip noise. For the heart naman po, inspect po natin yung pulsation nyo and palpate the apical impulse. And palpate po din natin kung may abnormal impulse kayo or abnormal pulsation. Normal naman po ang paghinga nyo and auscultate lang po natin yung heart nyo kung tama po yung rhythm and rate po ng heart nyo. place po and identify the S1 and S2. Normal naman po. I-check din po natin kung may excess sound po sa atin. Wala naman po. Pwede po kayong umupo. Check po natin pag ibang position po. Normal naman po yung heartbeat nyo, o yung sounds po ng heart nyo. And wala naman pong murmur na sounds sa heart nyo po. And thank you po. Okay. For documentation naman po, document na po namin yung assessment data following po the healthcare policy and agency and evaluation. Magsasend na lang po kami ng follow-up examination based po sa findings na nakuha namin sa expected or normal po na para po sa inyo. And i-relate po namin yung findings po sa previous assessment data nyo po kung meron po kayo, and i-report deviation expected or normal findings to the primary care provider.